Hello and welcome to another episode of The Walkers Around the World. Today we are in a Cove Balcony on the Carnival Panorama. This is room 3220. This is our first time on a Cove Balcony and we are super excited. So let's just get right down to it. We will start right as we come in. We have the standard balcony bathroom. Got the shower curtain, the toilet, the sink. Nothing too out of the woods there. Oh. Behind me, we have all of the storage. We've got two closets here with ample hangers. Full-length mirror on that one. We've got another set of closets with drawers and your safe. Over here we have the couch, which should be able to pull out into a bed if for some reason you did want a third person in this room. We've got the fridge over here, although that doesn't seem to be connected. We'll see. No, looks fine. The desk area, of course the bed, nice big TV over here. This does seem to be a connecting room, this particular room. So if you do want to have a connecting room with someone, the next room over is like 3224. So just let you know, you can have a connecting room. I think that's the first time we've ever had a connecting room on a ship. Now let's go see the balcony. We wanted to try out a Cove Balcony because we have heard that they're kind of fun to be a little bit closer to the water. Right now we are in the port of Los Angeles. Can't say that the views are spectacular in the water. There's a lot of trash here, but we will also take some video when we're going, and the water's a little bit cleaner, but not too bad at all. Very spacious. I thought the balcony might be a little bit smaller on the Cove Balcony, but it doesn't seem to be the case. This part of the enclosure kind of slopes up, so I guess you do get a slightly smaller experience, but I'm not that tall, so I don't feel that difference. And that's all. So we'll keep you posted on how this cruise goes, and thanks for joining us. See you next time.